Public speaking from the past relied entirely on just the individual giving the speech. That's why there is so much focus on body language, voice modulation, and facial expressions. However, now technology has become an integral part of public speaking, whether it's using slides, videos, or interactive tools. Incorporating technology can help make your presentation more impactful and memorable. However, it's important to remember that technology is there to support your speech, not dominate it. Your primary goal should always be to connect with your audience and convey your message effectively. With this in mind, let's look at how to navigate technology in public speaking. Before you start preparing your presentation, think carefully about which technological tools will best support your message. Programs like PowerPoint, Keynote, Canva, or Google Slides are great for creating visually appealing slideshows. Choose one that you're comfortable with and that offers the features you need. These can be very effective for illustrating your points or adding variety to your presentation. Make sure any multimedia content you use is high quality, relevant, and well integrated into your speech. Tools like Poll Everywhere, Kahoot, or live Q&A platforms can help engage your audience and make your presentation more interactive. Consider using these if you want to encourage audience participation. One of the most important steps in preparing for a speech that involves technology is testing your equipment ahead of time. Make sure your laptop, projector, microphone, and any other equipment are compatible and working properly. It's a good idea to have a backup plan in case something goes wrong. If your presentation relies on the internet, ensure that you have a stable connection. Consider downloading any necessary files or videos in advance to avoid connectivity issues. Run through your entire presentation with all the technological elements to make sure everything runs smoothly. This will help you become more familiar with the technology and reduce the likelihood of technical difficulties during your speech. When using technology in your presentation, aim for a seamless integration that enhances rather than distract from your message. Make sure your transitions between slides, videos, or interactive elements are smooth and natural. Abrupt changes can disrupt the flow of your presentation and confuse your audience. Avoid overloading your presentation with too much technology. Slides should be clear and concise. Videos should be short and relevant. And interactive tools should be easy to use. Remember, the focus should always be on your message, not the technology. Even with the best preparation, technical difficulties can still occur. Knowing how to handle these situations calmly and professionally is crucial. If something goes wrong with your technology, it's important to remain calm and composed. Panicking or becoming flustered will not only make the situation worse and could undermine your credibility. Briefly acknowledge the technical difficulties to your audience and let them know you're addressing it. This shows that you're aware of the issue and taking steps to resolve it. If possible, continue speaking while the issue is being resolved. This keeps the audience engaged and prevents awkward silence. Always have a backup plan in case of technical failures. Have a printed copy of your slides or key points that you can refer to if your technology fails. Be prepared to adapt your speech if necessary. If you can't use your slides or videos, focus on delivering your message through storytelling or engaging directly with your audience. Technology should be used to emphasize and clarify your key points, not overshadow them. Use highlighting tools or animations to draw attention to important parts of your slides. This can help guide your audience's focus and make your message more memorable. Use charts, graphs, or infographics to summarize complex information. Visual summaries can make your points clearer and easier to understand. The more you practice with technology you plan to use, the more comfortable and confident you'll be during your presentation. Practice in a setting similar to the actual presentation venue, using the same equipment and setup. This helps you anticipate and resolve potential issues. Rehearse in front of a friend or a colleague and ask for feedback on how effectively you're using technology. Adjust based on their input to improve your presentation. Navigating technology in public speaking is all about preparation, integration, and adaptability. Choosing the right tools, testing your equipment, practicing with technology can enhance your presentation and make it more engaging and effective. With the right approach, you can use technology to create a memorable and impactful presentation that resonates with your audience.